I need some chips. Who is that?
This is my manager.
Yeah.
Now you can't say nothing.
Yeah, this one. Oh, no.
I'm taking you home with me.
Never in my life I've seen a cat with a mustache.
He wants treats, his fat ass. I'm not giving you any treats if you're gonna act like this.
See, this is the big boss. This is big. Your boss. Your boss.
Don't get no more New York than this right here. Not the cat next to the Sunny D's. Like,
Oh, I want to keep you. Guys, look at this diva. Hello, you.
It's a different school, it's far.